Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Abshe.
So after Mihlali announced that she's going on a vacation, Musakaula also revealed that Mihlali is going on a vacation with her bae Leroy Sitambe, and his friends even some G also went with the couple and posted a video showing the couple and Somizi departing South Africa. One trip raised an issue that Mihlali will be used as some sort of a sacrifice and that there will be a ritual that will be performed and blah blah blah. Mihlali is being used. That was deep, guys. Yo. That didn't sit well, shame with Mihlali Ndamase. I mean, I understand. The girl is in love with Leroy. Just imagine if someone can say that about your partner. How would you feel? Mihlali Ndamase responded to the rumors and took it to her timeline and wrote, "But my man is gonna sacrifice me on this trip. At least I'll die happy bandla." Some other people were on the side of Mihlali and showed her support. One trip said, "Personally, I like you, but keep your life a bit private nyana Kelly, and be a mysterious, and not everyone likes you." This one has a point though. Another one said, "What about your reputation and dignity? Is a man worth all of that? This shadow is going to follow you for a very long time, and no one is worth staining your good name for." Some people can be harsh sometimes, but there's nothing you can do when you are in the eyes of the public. Mogel chose the fame life. Everything has its good and bad side. Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.